It's Mrs. G, also known as Lisa Gilbert. I have your students for 6th grade math. First, I want to tell you a little bit about me. I am married to Kyle Gilbert. He is the athletic director here at Trinity. He's also one of the 8th grade teachers. And I have 3 boys. My oldest is known as Scooty. He is a senior this year at Trinity. I've got Bubba's, he's a freshman at Trinity, and they're all at Trinity. And Chimmy, none of them go by their real names, is a 7th grader, and he's part of our middle school. I have been teaching for 20 years. This is my 21st year teaching, and I graduated from Concordia University with my master's in education, and I am also currently serving as your middle school assistant principal. I have taught 6th grade here at Trinity for 6 years, and I get to still teach one of my favorite topics or subjects to teach, and that's math. My whole goal is to make math fun and interesting for the kids at the same time as, making sure they're learning what they need to learn in those good reading, writing, arithmetic. We use the Holt McDoodle math book, and you'll find that a lot of times the way we set up our assignments is I have them take notes at the top half. And that is because I don't always use the way the book explains it, because I don't really always like the way the book explains it. So a lot of times I'll have them take notes and do examples at the top so that when they come home to you, if for some reason they still have homework left or they're not understanding, hopefully that spurs their memory, or you're able to kind of look and see how I had them complete the problems rather than having to rely on the book. Are you smarter than a 5th grader is like a real thing because once you haven't been doing math for a while, if you get into 6th grade math and your kids have trouble and they need your help, it doesn't always come back so quickly. So that is why in class, when they come into class every day, just to kind of give you an idea, they get out their iPads, they go to thatquiz.org, and they practice their math facts. I really try to make this an important daily part of our routine because math facts are so key, and I don't expect them to be perfect at them, but I want that repetition. I want them being exposed to them a lot. They should know their multiplication facts. It just makes their lives so much easier when it comes to just getting into the nitty-gritty of learning math. And so that is something also that they can practice at home. We do it at the beginning of class each day. They can show you how they do it. They know how to go to thatquiz.org. They're well trained. And then Friday, so they can earn Gilbert Bucks throughout the week. And I have a Gilbert Buck menu here. They can buy a candy, listen to music while doing their homework in class. They can get a free assignment, an incomplete pass, like just different things that they can purchase. And they can tell you all about that with their Gilbert Bucks. So they can earn Gilbert Bucks if they get a 90 or above each day. And then on Fridays, I actually take the grade, and it is a small percentage of their overall math grade. Like I said, that's something they can practice at home as well. Then daily homework. We do assignments each day. I give them a lot of time in class, especially on the days where I have them for an hour and 20 minutes. I do notice though, there are 24 of them with me, sometimes 26, which is not daunting to me. It's fine, and I'm there to ask them or answer any questions they might have and give them that one-on-one attention. But not all of them are really good about asking for help. So I've really tried to hammer home. I want them to work hard here in class, get it done. Some of them insist, I'll just take it home and do it at home. My parents don't care. And as a parent myself, I say, no, actually they do. They would rather you get it done here with me. And then they're welcome to take it home and go over it with you guys, check through things. That is totally fine by me. But just with that said, if they come home with a lot of homework from math every day, that means they're not utilizing their time at school well. And I would love for you to tell me about that. Google Classroom, I post the assignments each day on Google Classroom so that you can check in with them. And then chapter tests, we do have those every 2 to 3, sometimes 4 weeks, depending on how long the chapter takes us. And we'll have a review time before that. And then we have a game and finally a test. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me at any time. You're welcome to email me, call me, whatever you're most comfortable with. My information is easy to find on saints.org. All right. In the meantime, I love having your kids. It is such a blessing and a privilege, and I look forward to partnering with you this year.